Now, wow, this is a full. How do people move without taking permission? Sorry. People didn't tell me. And you leave your domain without the Cassidy. But I hope all of you are happy. Yes. They greet you. Yes.
Watch it. We know they see front.
Entirely, Ekpe will remain grateful to you. Ekpe Mekano, I never knew you honor me this way. I never knew you honor me this way. I never knew you honor me this way. Honor me this way. Thank you, Governor.
I never knew you honor me this way.
Ezepelopo. The colleagues, Your Excellency, will remain grateful at any time. I don't know where I will keep my joy and my happiness. For you to honor me. The result will not come out today. The result will come out 2007. Day before yesterday, some people crying like cow for missing somebody like us. Our people put parable that the way you dress your bed, that is the way you lie on it. 2027, no matter the threat and the bullying, I want to tell you that go home and sleep. Some of us who don't know how to talk much will believe in action. To love you is not by talking, it's by heart. Somebody can make a statement while the heart speaks another different thing. I want to tell you that the entire people of our kingdom, the ancient kingdom, we are for you. Please, Your Excellency, you have done enough these few days, these few months, but you are our governor. We have to ask more. Ikegbidi, River State Amico, Ekpe Mekan, Oba Amico, Ikore Amico. Our River State will have 23 LGA. All the 23 LGA, Amico. Your Excellency, please. We have just two communities. Even the president of EYC, they find it very difficult to communicate with us. Unless they pass through Onega or through Ikwere, Chichilo, their place, before they can reach us. When I call meeting, they are the last person to attend the meeting. just about 3 or 4 kilometers and one small bridge. Corbett. Your Excellency, I know you are equal to decide you are capable to do that work for us. People say the man is too quiet. The man don't like to talk. But something inside you is more than talking. You don't speak anyhow, you don't talk anyhow. But what inside your head is more than those talkative. It's more than those dancers. It's more than those heartbreaking. It's more than those. Let me reserve my comment. Mekanye! Also, the chief of staff, you will know, Ako, the governor, we don't have anybody to represent us. Please, Excellency, give us. Chief of staff, you have done so much in Ekpe. You have done so much in Ahoada East. You are a son that at any time we can go home and sleep with our 2 eyes closed. We trust you and will love you so much. So much is not easy. Ahoada East is the only LGA that first class come out for field when political parties are doing meeting to address the women and men because of the love we have for you and the governor.
Decided to join the good side of history. A man who attested some punishment in the course of this struggle. And he still stood his ground. And the little I can do is to come to his kingdom and show solidarity with him. I congratulate you on your 7th anniversary. I wish you a successful reign. I won't say you live like Methuselah, but you're going to live long and rule your people well. What I came here to do today is not to discuss politics. In his speech, he talked so much about politics. Ekwe Youth Council, politics. The person who spoke for the women, politics. The spokesman of the Akov people, politics. Me, I won't do politics. I will just do the business while I'm here. You've asked for a few things. You have shown so much support at the detriment of this kingdom. The little thing we can do is to make sure we give the people of our core and the Ekpe people the assurance that we are with them. So your request on the issue of road, thank God that the Commissioner for Works is here, is already granted. I will only add a small advice. You know, there's one bird They call it woodpecker. Woodpecker told his other friends that when my mother will die, I will pick three, back. They said, okay, no worry. So when they get to that time, he then had very big boy. He couldn't even pick the one that he could even use to bury his mother. Let's forget about the noise people are making. When the time is right, we will know who is who.
Capacity.
So don't worry about anything. It is God that has led us from that day to today. And each day we get stronger and stronger. It is only God. We are not achieving this because of our strength or because we are boasting. It's because our strength is built in God. So we don't need to worry about what people are saying. Let the time come and we'll see how it will end. The most important thing is we must ensure that we live peacefully. Development can come to your kingdom. Development can come to a clear ethnic nationality without peace. There will be a lot of means to bring disunity amongst you. Try as much as you can to avoid it. You know the mechanism of our people, divide and rule. Try to avoid anything that will bring problem to this kingdom so that we'll continue to show that we love you by ensuring that we bring meaningful projects that will bring development to the Ehie people. Let me thank every one of you that have continued to support us. And let me say it here before I forget. I promised somebody a recognition. And one of those that I promised came here to speak. Let him go and rest. Before the second week of January, it will be recognized. We must continue to encourage our people and to make them understand that government is about the welfare of the people. When the people are happy, the government, they should have the freedom to express themselves, even in the bitter situation. And that is the policy of our government. Even if we don't provide anything, I want you to be free. That freeness is even enough assurance to make you happy and not to be in bondage. So the bondage that you were in, I don't want to call the number of years, I hereby relieve you of that bondage. So feel free. Finally, Ehie Cassidy, you have a lot of responsibility as a leader and as the Ehie of this Akko kingdom. Please ensure that you rule your people, rule with the fear of God. And that is the only way your reign will be remembered forever. Thank you. Thank you. And may God bless every one of us.